Easy come, easy go.
Yo everybody, it's Mumsy, and we're back in Zombie in Black Ops 4, and then map Ancient Evil, I think it's called, yeah. And today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade one of the wonder weapon in this map. So first of all, you need to find a golden gauntlet, it's called, maybe. I'm gonna show you in a couple seconds. This dormant end, sorry, I was pretty lost. So you need one of those. There's 20 locations around the map, and it's glowing in purple, so it's pretty easy to find. So I'm gonna do this one right there, the Gaia. So first step, you need to survive in the circle for 45 seconds. So it's not too hard, and you cannot go out of it, so be ready to do this challenge. Okay, it's going pretty well. So the challenges are not too difficult. Anyway, you're gonna see it in a couple seconds. Alright. So after you complete it, you can grab the end, and now you can start the first step. Alright. So for this you need to bring 3 plants over the circle. So the first location is right there. You need to shoot the 3 red circle and grab the plants. But with the plant you cannot run, so be careful. Grab the shield, so it's gonna save your back. And you place the plant right there.
One more up for the good guys.
Alright. So the second one, it's close to the spawn. Oh, there's one here first. This one is over the stove of Athenis. So you shoot again the 3 red circle, you grab the plant, and you make your way over the green circle. Da, 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 da. Let's go, let's go. There we go. There's the second one. Alright, the final one, it's over the spawn. So we're gonna go there. Just gonna kill this guy, he's annoying. Right. Okay, let's go to the spawn. So I'm gonna show you. So the spawn is right there, and the tree is right here. So you shoot the tree red circle again. I'm just gonna kill a couple of zombies. They are so annoying. Alright, and now you make your way to the green circle. Well, this one is pretty far, so don't stress and you're gonna make it. Anyway, with your shield in your back, it's pretty safe too. This is another one I'm gonna show you in another video. This one is pretty sick too. They are all sick anyway. Da, 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 da. Come on my boy, let's go. Faster. Alright, we are almost there. Jesus. Let's go, let's go. Here we go, the last one.
You have shown Gaia's children.
Then you go to the portal. And now you're gonna try the new upgrade that you have with the end of Gaia. So you hold R2 and look at this. It's pretty sick. Like you throw rocks over the zombie. They're all dead.
Fire!
Like a line of rocks. It's pretty powerful. Boom! Get out of the way. Like, it's pretty sick, bro.
That was the slap heard around the world. Ha, if it gets stone
So in there, you
jerky
just need to
somewhere.
survive a couple seconds. And anyway, you have infinite ammo, so it's not too hard. You can shoot just normal shot or the charge one. Doesn't matter. So when it's done, you go back to the portal and you have the upgraded
Gaia
end
finds
of
you
Gaia.
worthy. Her hand is yours.
Thank
Use
you.
it wisely.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Alright, peace out.